If a student is willing to work hard and they want to be a nurse, we can help them get there, and they will be successful. It's a one-year program. Students, when they graduate, they can sit for their national licensing exam, and then they become licensed practical nurse. In 12 months, they really gain a career and a profession and a pathway to further their careers.
I wanted to be able to take a year and be able to go straight through it and be able to, get a solid job right out of school.
This gave me an opportunity to better myself and get a better job, and I'm really thankful for that, honestly.
You're not hunting for jobs, they're hunting for you.
Being a 12-month program, it is condensed, it is accelerated, but it's 1 year of sacrifice for a lifetime career.
It was very rigorous, I got to say that. It was very hard at times, but I wouldn't go back and change it. I enjoyed every single moment of it, and I'm kind of sad that I'm no longer in the program.
I knew going into it that it was going to be intense because of the fact that it's what would typically be a 2-year program condensed into one. It's difficult, I'm not going to lie, it is a difficult program. But if you accommodate to it, you can get through it.
You have to sit down with your family and say, listen, this year is going to be hard, but it will be worth it in the end.
It's 32 hours a week, and then for every hour of lecture, you need to be studying 1 to 2 hours on top of that or outside of the programs.
So Monday and Thursday are usually split between our two main classes, anatomy and physiology, which we do in the afternoon, and fundamentals of nursing that we do in the morning. And then our clinical days are Tuesday and Wednesday.
I'm a very hands-on learner, so at the hospital you get to actually use the skills that you learn about rather than, oh, this is what you would do in this situation. I get to actually apply that and do it so much better for me if I actually get to do it.
If you're a hands-on person, this is a great course because you really are immersed in everything.
The classes that are close-knit and work well together are a mix of both, non-traditional and traditional students.
It's an interesting class dynamic, honestly, in that we have people from all walks of life here. There's an assortment of ages, an assortment of professions, different levels of experience. Everyone kind of ends up helping each other because we're all just trying to become better nurses.
Our instructors are very invested in this program, and they're very invested in our students. We do get to know our students one-on-one, and we also have the opportunity to offer that one-on-one support that they might not get if they're in a larger program.
The faculty here, and I do not say this lightly, were amazing. I honestly feel like they made such a difference in my life and my education.
I love our faculty here. Everything that you could possibly want to do, Penn College offers you nurses who can help you get there, that can share their personal experiences.
Pennsylvania College of Technology offers great pathways for students to go and advance their education, and one of them is the Nursing Bridge program.
It allows you to advance from being an LPN to getting your associate's degree RN.
Any student that graduates from our practical nursing program, they're automatically eligible for a $1,500 pathway scholarship per FAFSA year once they get into that RN program.
You don't realize how fast a year goes by until you're done with it and you look back at all the stuff you did, a lot of things you thought you couldn't do at certain times, and you feel very proud and thankful and excited about what's yet to come.
But I really find that when students graduate from this program, they have this sense of, I can do anything. If I did that, I can do anything. And I think it really sets the tone for their future.